Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to start with the first session of the reasoning, that is chapter number 1, number pattern. In number pattern, what you have to do? You have to do some questions that is based on completing the number series. Some puzzles will be there that will be based on your numbers. Okay, so you have to use your logical, creative, and analytical thinking in solving all these questions. It is just a mind game. You have to use your mind. Okay. So, I will be discussing some of the examples also. So, the first example of your this chapter is, see, some patterns are given. Okay. In the first pattern, 3 circles are given. Okay. In the next pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then next, the number of circles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you see the next pattern, the number of the circles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Is it clear? Okay, so in the first 3 circles, then 6, then 10 and then 15. If you observe this pattern carefully, I had written it. First of all, the circles were 3, then the number of circles are increased to 6. It means I had added 3 more circles. Okay, then in 6, I had added 4. The next number, the very next number to 3. That is your 4. After 4, if I add 6 and 4, I got 10. Okay. So now, the next number of the circles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now the number of the circles are 15. If you see, earlier the number of circles were 10. Now the number of the circles are 15. So how many circles we had increased? 5. If you observe all this pattern carefully, you are able to conclude this thing that earlier the number of we had added in the number of the circles 3, then we had added the number of the circles 4, then I had added the number of the circles 5. So it means I am just taking the series of 3, 4 and 5. So now in the next number of the circles, I have to add 6 to the previous number of the circles. Clear? So the previously I am having 15 circles. Okay. So in 15 circles, if I add the next number of 5, that is your 6, the total number of the circles that you will be getting is 21. Okay. Because our series is going like this. First of all, the 3 circles, then the 4 circles you had added. Now to the number of the circles you had added 5. Now to the total number of the circles that will be earlier, you are going to add 6 to it. So the total number of the circles now it will be 21 circles. In the question 4 options are given, and among the 4 options 21 circles is correct. Is it clear? Try to read the concept again and again. If you are not able to get 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, you will be able, it may be possible that you are going to find it difficult, but when you solve it as a game, then it will be easy for you. Clear? Now, the example number 3. In the example number 3, it is given the first number is 64. Under 64, we had divided 64 as 16, and then a question mark is there. It means at the place of the question mark, you have to find out your answer. Clear? Then under 16, we had divided 16 as 8 and the 2. We had divided 16 as 8 and the 2. Clear? So now 64 is divided as 16. The very next number I have to calculate. 16 I had divided as 8 and 2, because 8 2s are 16. So start from the bottom. 8 2s are 16. Now I have to multiply, I have to find that number, so that if I multiply that number with 16, I should get 64. Okay. So if you know the table of the 16, you will be able to do it very easily. If you are not knowing about the table of the 16, if you forgot the table of the 16, just revise it. Okay. And if you multiply 16 with 4, you will be getting your 64. Clear? So the answer is what? The answer is your 64. Okay. So if you multiply 16 with 4, your answer will be 64. So the number that is to be placed at the question mark will be 4, because if I multiply 16 with 4, only then I will get my answer as 64. Okay, so the question mark place will be replaced with 4. Start from the bottom. 8 2s are 16. Now 16 to be multiplied with which number, so that I should be getting 64? That number is 4. So I had already told you this thing, that it is just a mind game. You have to apply all your logical thinking in this. You have to think a lot. You have to think a lot. I also have to think a lot before solving these questions. So same is applied to you. You have to think a lot. Okay. It may be possible that you will not be getting in one time, but practice and you will be able to do all the things very easily. Clear? Now move towards your next example, that is your example number 4. In the example number 4, 4 letters are given to us, that is A, U, O and I. And what you have to do, you have to find out your missing alphabet here. Okay, so if you observe this number, all these letters carefully, are you finding something common in them? Yes, all are your vowels. So the question mark will be replaced with the alphabet, that is your E. Okay, so the place of the question mark is replaced with the E, because we know our alphabets are A, E, I, O and U. All the alphabets, all the vowels are here except your E. Okay, so the question mark placed will be replaced with your E. Is it clear? Good. Now I think little bit confused you will be there in doing these questions, but I know when you will read them carefully, understand them carefully, you will be able to do them. Okay, so let's start with the exercise. Rest of the examples you have to try your own. Clear? Now start with the exercise. In the exercise, the first question is, how many circles in 10th pattern? How many circles in 10th pattern? See, we had given with the 4 patrons, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And what we have to do, we have to find the number of the circles, total number of the circles in which patron? In the 10th patron. Clear? How many circles I have to find? I have to find in the 10th patron. If you observe this, see, 1 circle is there, 1 line is there. 2 circles are there, then 2 lines, and each line the number of the circles are 2 and the 2. Then if I see this 3 lines, and in each line 3 circles are there. So it becomes 1 cross 1, this becomes 2 cross 2, this becomes 3 cross 3. And if you see this 4 lines, and the number of the circles in each line are how many? How many circles are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and the 16. So the number of the circles are here. Yes, 16. 4 lines, and each line number of these circles are 4. So it becomes 4 cross 4. So if you see all these, if 1 circle is there, then 1 cross 1. If 2 lines and each line 2 circles are there, so I had written is 2 multiplied by 2. So same way, if 5 lines will be there, then each line 5 circles will be there, then it will be written as 5 cross 5. Now it is asking about the 10th patron. So for the 10th patron, it will be 10 multiplied by 10, that is your 100. Clear? Very good. So now the question number 2, see what you have to do in the question number 2. In the question number 2, we have given this patron. We have given with this patron. Clear? So, and in the first line, I had given with the numbers 2, 6, 7. In the last line, I had given with the number 3, 4, 8. And the middle number of this, the middle number is missing. We have to find out this number. Just try to use your mind before going forward. Just try to use your mind. Yes. Now see, if you observe this line, just do the sum of all. The 2 plus 6 is, yes, 8. And 8 plus 7 is what? 15. Clear? Same here. 3 plus 4 is what? 7. And 7 plus 8 is what? Yes, 15. Okay, so it means sum of all the rows, whatever whatever is there, that their sum is 15. If I take it as diagonally, okay, then again the sum should be 15. So see, 7 plus 3, 10. For making it 15, which number is missing here? The missing number is, yes, 5. Same is here, 2 plus 8, 10. To make it 15, which number is missing? 5. So the missing number here is what? The missing number here is 5. Clear? So that's it for today. Just see this video 1, 2, 3 times. Only then you will be able to understand the concept of the reasoning. Clear? And try to solve your own. Okay? Don't take it hard. You will be, it may be possible that you will be finding it a little bit difficult, but when you practice it, you will be finding it interesting. Okay? Thank you.